Hello dear fans. What is the hydrosphere? The entire world ocean, water of rivers and other bodies of water, as well as underground waters and eternal ice are combined into a single hydrosphere of the Earth. The watery shell of the Earth is in constant interaction with the Earth's crust and atmosphere. It was the hydrosphere that became the birthplace of life on our planet. The hydrosphere, from hydro water and sphere a ball, is an intermittent water shell of the Earth, which is located between the atmosphere and the solid Earth's crust, lithosphere. It is a collection of oceans, seas, rivers, and all surface waters of the land. It also includes groundwater, snow, and ice in the Arctic and Antarctic. Even atmospheric water and the water of living organisms are included in this concept. Surface and atmospheric waters make up only a fraction of a percent of the total volume of the hydrosphere. The bulk of the water is concentrated in the seas and oceans. The second place in terms of volume belongs to groundwater. The third is the water of the glaciers and snow of Antarctica. Despite an insignificant percentage of the total mass, surface water plays a vital role in human life. They are the source of drinking and industrial water that people use for their needs. The waters of the hydrosphere are in constant continuous interaction with the atmosphere and lithosphere. Moving from one phase to another, they take part in the water cycle in nature. All forms of the water cycle constitute a single hydrological cycle, during which all types of water are renewed. The longest period falls on the renewal of glaciers and deep underground waters. The most rapidly renewed atmospheric waters and biological waters, which are part of plants and animals. The hydrosphere is an open-ended system. There is a close relationship between its waters, which determines the unity of the Earth's water shell as a natural system and its interaction with other geospheres. In addition, water is the cradle of life on our planet. After all, only at the beginning of the Paleozoic era did living organisms come out onto land. Up to this point, they grew and developed in the aquatic environment. The modern hydrosphere is the result of a long evolution of the Earth and the differentiation of its substances. Thanks for watching.